Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. Today we have got the Tarmac Works Koenigsegg Jesko attack. This is the first Tarmac Works diecast that I have bought, a completely new one. Let's take a quick look around the box. So here we have the card art. Okay, this is a cartoon version of the actual car. I like it. I like this box art better than the mini GT one. Okay, let's take a quick look here. Okay, so you can see, right? So this is Koenigsegg licensing. This is officially licensed. Okay, Jesko, Tarmac Works socials. Okay, here we. Oh, okay, this goes like this. Okay, nice. What do we have here? Okay, the Koenigsegg logo. And guys, yes, this is from the Global64 lineup. So Tarmac Works have multiple lineups. So this one is from the Global64. Let me unbox this. Guys, while I unbox this, subscribe to my channel for more such unboxings and reviews. I know many of you watch my channel. Do subscribe. And of course, yes, like and share this video with your friends. Okay. Alright, let's review. Right off the bat, I will be honest with you guys, I am not that impressed with this model. See, I completely understand that the Global64 lineup of Tarmac Works is their budget lineup, but still, if you look at the prices are similar to mini GTs, right? But I don't see the love which mini GT puts in their models in Tarmac Works Global64 lineup. Anyways, let's review it. Let me first zoom in. Okay, so you can see, right? So minute detail, but you can see the Jesko logo there. Looks nice, and I think you guys have already noticed the metal fleck paint that goes around. Usually I love metal fleck paints, but in this case I don't know. Maybe because of metal flecks, right? The flecks are white in color and the body is having silver paint, so maybe it does not go that well. Probably that is the reason I don't like it that much. The wheels, yes, the wheels roll smoothly. So see, this is the advantage of the Global64 lineup. So if you go to the Hobby64 lineup of Tarmac Works, of course those models are highly detailed, more than mini GTs. Definitely prices are also higher than mini GTs, but you won't be getting rolling wheels. Personally, I like my wheels to roll, so yeah, that is why I have gone for this. Okay, other than that, is there anything else? Okay, not much. The wheels that you see, right? The wheels look really basic. I don't like the wheels. Yeah, I have not seen how it looks like on the actual car. Yeah, I did not see it, but yeah, personally I don't like the look of the wheels. All right, then okay, we have one more details. I was going to check out the front. Have you seen? So on the let me try to zoom in if I can. Finally, I could zoom properly. So if you see on the wing, guys, there is the Koenigsegg logo. This is a lovely detail. I like it. And on the sides, we have 003 for some reason. I don't know why. But anyway, let's then check out the front of the car. Okay, at the front of the car, guys, here, right? So this base. So yeah, of course, in the actual car, it is made of carbon fiber. But here there is no detail of the carbon fiber. They could have given some prints, right? See, again, I completely understand that this is the budget lineup, but if you take a look at the box, right? So if you see here they have given the carbon fiber print. So I thought that, okay, since it is given here as carbon fiber, it will be there in the actual car. But yeah, that is not the case. Usually what you see, right, in cases of mini GT, whatever details they have on the car, same gets printed on the box art as well. But that is not the case with this Tarmac Works. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, at the front we have again the Koenigsegg logo. Looks nice, nicely done. And okay, the headlights, guys. So of course these are plastic inserts, and the headlights have some like details. Looks nice, no complaints about it. So okay, there goes the hood, there goes the blue and yellow what should I say, stripe, I guess. And the inside of the car has some details. They have done it in black. Maybe they could have used some other color other than black, right? So but anyway, let's check out the top. So on the top again the stripe goes, and then finally we're at the back of the car. Here, guys, if you see this wing detail, right? So in premium models usually these are this wing is made of 3 individual parts, but since this is the budget lineup, so this is a they are not divided into 3 individual parts, so it is as it is. And guys, if you see, there's the ghost logo of Koenigsegg. Looks nice. Okay, so yeah, this is the rear of the car. I see a lot of minute details, to be honest. Let's start with the backlights. Yeah, backlights are plastic inserts. Looks nice. Like they really pop out. No complaints about that. Okay, other than that, you can see the Jesko number plate, and below that I think it is written Koenigsegg. Help me out if you can see it. And other than that, here also in very small text they have again written Jesko. Again, a great detail to have. And guys, if you see under the wing, again there is Koenigsegg written. Okay, so I was not expecting it, but yeah, they have done it. Looks nice. The back looks really nice. So yeah, you can see the diffuser and the exhausts. Looks nice. Okay, what do we have here? Okay guys, so there is a paint drop, right? So the the back is of black color, and as you see there is a drop there on the body. Okay, QC issues, can't do anything, a very minor thing, but yeah, caught my eye, so thought of highlighting. Let's check out the base of the car. The base, guys, is made of plastic. Okay, again, like Mini GT in this budget will have a metal base, but in this case it's a plastic base. Probably a deal breaker for some of you, right? Yeah, even I love like metal bases more than plastic bases, but I thought of giving a try of Tarmac Works Global64 lineup, hence I bought it. And if you see, so okay, there's a screw. I'm not sure in the middle if you can like put it on an acrylic base or not. Probably you can. I may be wrong, probably you can. Okay, other than that, let me zoom in. So we have the Koenigsegg Jesko attack text here. Okay, and other than, okay, the wheels, guys, if you see, the first the front ones are narrower than the rear ones, and okay, they don't have any tire treading, nothing, so plain tires. That's it. Let's do a quick then overview of the car, guys. So for the price, right, like there are better options. Okay, there are definitely better options. I'm not saying that Tarmac Works have done a bad job with this. No, they haven't, but Mini GT does it better than them in this price point. But yeah, but in Mini GT the problem is you will not get Koenigsegg, right? So if you need a Koenigsegg which is of course more premium than Hot Wheels, then yeah, you have to go for Tarmac Works Global64 lineup. Mini GT does not have that option. Hopefully they make some in the future. And the mirrors, right? So of course these are made of rubber, like silicone, but yeah, these are really stiff, not that flexible. All right, let's do a quick roll test. Rolls really smoothly. All right, that's it then from this video. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this, whether you're gonna get it or not. All right, see you guys then in the next one.